Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I'm still very bullish on these higher time frames overall. Very, very bullish. I still think this is going to continue to trend up, probably eventually take out these highs before we actually do see a bigger push to the downside. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, and to me, it still looks like this first push up is a 1. I still think this is a running flat wave 2. Higher high wave B, higher high wave C. That definitely looks like a running flat to me. Most likely that would make this a wave 1 of wave 3. This is probably a wave 2 of wave 3, and we possibly may even be starting a big old wave 3 of 3 and eventually making a wave 4 and a wave 5, just like I showed on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily, we had a very, very significant turn up yesterday on really all the dollar pairs. I still think this first 5 waves up is a 1. I still think this is like a leading diagonal wave A. This is a 1, 2, 3 of wave C. And I still think this move down is a 5 wave pattern for wave C. I thought it was going to go down to one of these lower fib levels, so I was a little surprised to see it turn yesterday. I mean, if it happened tomorrow at the non-farm payroll, it would have made a lot more sense to me, but we can't argue with the market. The market is definitely telling us something, and we definitely need to pay attention, which is that this is possibly the beginning of a big wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I mean, I do have my Fibonacci retracement on here just to look for areas of support. I mean, we definitely do have a pretty significant break of structure. This move up is very, very strong. So I personally would be looking for longs right now while we learn whether this is a wave 3. And if it is a wave 3, then it will definitely continue to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, like I was saying, we do have non-farm payroll news tomorrow, so it's going to be interesting to see what that news actually does. To me, it seems extremely clear that this is a 5 wave pattern to the upside. So it kind of seems to me like non-farm payroll may actually cause it to go down. Unless it goes down in the next 24 hours and makes a correction setting itself up for a long at the non-farm payroll, I actually think it's more likely that non-farm payroll will probably make a wave A to the downside, start a correction, which is likely to be a wave 1, a wave 2, and then eventually back up for a big wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here to the left, and don't forget to check out my membership program, which is on my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.